Freight elevator here at Collin
Yep,
Creek
this is
Mall.
a fourth freight elevator at Collin Creek Mall.
Hit the
Loading
call
deck
button.
number 5. It's a BNS. Door open.
It's coming.
Yep.
Let me look at it.
And this is a Baxter & Sons, so this will be Jason's first BNS freighter.
Let me look at those.
I think you're gonna like this one.
Tell me when it gets here.
It's approaching.
Leveling? Oh, you're gonna. It has Corian doors.
Okay, press the open button.
Welcome aboard.
Yeah, freight elevator number 4 at Collin Creek Mall.
All right, wait, let
everyone
me get
in.
in.
Everyone in?
All right,
Yep.
let's stand back. And let's listen to the motor.
Nice, let go. Here we go. And here we go.
While we're up here, let me get a look around. I'm gonna look at this panel real quick. This is just like my panel.
You want to know a fun fact? Older Baxter & Sons have orange labeling.
Yeah, I have one of those, except it's got the,
Circle line.
all right, ready to go down?
Yep, set it down.
Let's listen to it.
You have to hold it down until it starts moving. It's an old elevator.
Shopping carts in here.
Yeah. Oh, we got a dead bug on the gate. Of course we do. You know, this is probably the only one in the mall that doesn't have profanity written all over it. Because this one usually is patrolled.
All right, press the door open button.
You can let the door open. It'll open automatically.
Wow, this is a blue elevator with shopping cart. Someone please close the door.
This is a nice one.
It is. It's a shame its features unknown.
Alright. Well, actually, I believe